Hi my friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Steffi here. In this video I'm going to show you guys how I make inserts for my A5 planner. As you can see, I do have a couple of paper pads that just like, what am I going to do with these things? So I'm going to show you guys how I make them. Here is one example that I already have set up in my planner. I had to stop buying paper pads, y'all. I was just getting too much. So this paper pad that I'm showing you guys is called Sunlight Galore. It's a 48 sheet paper pad by Recollections brand. I purchased this from Michaels, and the sheets are 12 inches by 12 inches. As you can see, the colors are very vibrant, pretty, bright, and I love flamingos and bright colors, and I thought this was very cute for summer. And as you can see, you do get a lot of pages, and that is so cute. You can cut it out as cardstock, and that palm tree is my favorite out of everything in there. So as you can see, it just repeats itself after a couple pages, and the back of the pages are blank. So if you wanted to make double-sided inserts, you can, which I will show you guys how to do that also. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and show you guys some of the inserts that I've already done and punched out, just to give you guys an example of how they're going to look once you're done. As you can see, there is a lot of variety. So cute. Now I'm going to show you guys the supplies you're going to need. You're going to need a hole puncher. This is a handheld one. It's just a single punch. You have to do each one individually, but it will get the job done. So you just put it in there. Obviously, this is not ready. Obviously, this one is already punched. I use this by Recollections. It's a 6-hole puncher. You just put the paper in, and it punches all 6 holes automatically. You will need, well, you don't need this, but if you like to have the corners rounded instead of square, you can go ahead and do that. I'll show you guys how that actually works towards the middle of the video. I like using a pen to do my cut lines, and then I like to use scissors just in case I need to cut things and even them up. I like those because they're small and I can really get in there and get precise. I use this Friskers paper cutter that everything I got is from Michaels. I really like this. You can line it up and make straight lines, and it's really easy to use, obviously. And like I said, everything is from Michaels. And y'all, make sure you use a coupon to get that discount. So now I'm just flipping through to see what paper I want to use. I was going to go with the sunglasses, but I decided to go with the sheet that's already been cut out. So I'm going to use this one to show you guys how I make the inserts. This A5 ring planner I got from Michaels. What I do, are those little bows cute? I made those myself. I can show you guys how I did that. That's really easy. Maybe in another video. I just used the inserts that came with the planner. The planner came preloaded with those to-do list and those, what do you call those? I don't even know. Those little frosted dividers. I'm going to use the to-do sheet because I want the inserts to be a little bit smaller. So now I'm just lining everything up precisely as I can, and then I'm going to use the pencil to make the cut lines. I like using a pencil just in case if I mess up, I can use the eraser to erase it and then go over it. And also, when you're making things by hand, everything might not come out exactly cut the way you want to or crisp, but you can always fix that. And these are just for myself. I'm not selling these, so it doesn't bother me if it doesn't come out too crisp and clean, but I'm okay with that. It's just going in my planner. So now that I have my cut lines, I'm going to go ahead and put it in the paper cutter and just go ahead and cut this out. I'm trying to line everything up, and then obviously you end up with the 2 pieces. I'm just going to go ahead and put it in the machine again to cut out to the A5 size. Like I said, this is really easy to use, and if you make a mistake, you can always go back and trim things up. It might be a little bit smaller, but it'll work. And then I just save the scraps to do other things with. I have a personal planner that I have inserts for. I'm going to save it for that. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put that in the hole puncher. And you just want to make sure you press down with a little bit of force, not too hard. And then the holes come out. Isn't that cute and so easy? Now I'm showing you guys this one. I kind of messed up, but I didn't want to throw it away because the palm trees are so cute. I'm just going to go ahead and just cut out the good side. I can go ahead and use it in my planner. And then as I'm doing the cut lines, like, duh, you should have did it on the white side, not the decorative side, but that's okay. So I'm going to go ahead, do my cut lines, clean up some things, and then go ahead and cut it out. She is so cute. Just punching some holes in her so that way I can put her in my planner. And I also want to show you guys, you can also make these inserts where you can do double-sided, so it's a design on both sides. I have some where there's still white on one side and double on the other. So what I did, I'm just going through and trying to line up the inserts that are close to the same size so I can use this tape runner that I got from Michaels. It's the Scotch brand. It's so cute. I love these because it doesn't get glue everywhere, but it's still very sticky. The only thing I do is just run it through one side. And also, it's so cute. When you run it, this glue comes out like stars. I thought that was really cute. So now that I have everything glued on there, I'm just going to press down the other A5 right on top of it. And then I'm just making sure everything is nice and straight. And I'm just going to go ahead and press down on it to make sure everything sticks. I'm just going to go ahead and put it in my hole puncher. And it even punches through the 2 pages. I haven't tried more than that, but I'm going to go ahead and punch the rest of the inserts. This is so cute and so affordable to make your own inserts, because sometimes they can be a little pricey. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put everything back in the planner. Aren't these inserts cute? Those are from Glam Planner. They're the horizontal inserts for planning. So I'm just putting everything back in here. So cute. I love that. And I decided to put that in the back, but I thought it might be cuter in the front. But it's still cute in the back too, but I thought it'd be cuter in the front of the planner. So I'm going to go ahead and change that and put it in the front. I like this planner, y'all. It's very roomy. And I just took some extra paper that I had left and just put it in one of the pockets behind the bows. Those bows are so easy to make. I might do another video on that. I think it'll look cuter up in front. I like it. Now I'm just going to go through and show you guys what the planner looks like. I have my inserts. They're gold foiled from theglamplanner.com. I don't use that many inserts, but I just wanted to show you guys how they looked in the planner in between plain paper that I have in here, line paper, grid paper. Very cute for summer. And now that you have the basic idea down, you can do so many things with the paper pads. I have so many that I just am not buying anymore. I'm done. It's just too much. And then you need to store them. Ain't nobody got time for that. But they look so cute in the planner. You could put some pockets back there to put some stickers. I might do that. I might show you guys how I set up my planner, which I haven't even done yet. And just nothing in the back, even though you could. And I almost forgot how to show you guys how to round out the edges if you want to. It's so easy. You just stick the corner of the paper in there. Make sure you have it in that triangle. All you gotta do is push down. It just cuts off the corner. And as you can see, it comes out nice and rounded if that's the look you're going for. Nice and super easy. And just make sure you clean out the paper so that way all the little extras aren't clogging up. You want to get a nice crisp rounded edge. My favorite. That is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.